Welcome to ClearTask. Today we're going to show you exactly how to add or remove table grid lines and borders in Microsoft Word. It's a quick process, so let's get right into it. First, let's look at how to remove the visible lines. Start by clicking anywhere inside your table. You will see a small four-sided arrow icon appear in the top left corner of the table. Click that icon to select the entire table. Next, look at the ribbon at the top of your screen and click on the Table Design tab. Over on the right side, click the Borders drop-down menu. To remove all visible lines, simply select No Border. Your table lines are now invisible. But what if you still need to see the outline of your cells while you work without them actually printing? Just go to the Layout tab, which is right next to Table Design, and click on View Grid Lines. This will show faint dotted lines that act as a visual guide, but they will not show up on your final printed document. If you ever need to bring the solid lines back, the process is just as easy. Select your entire table again using that top left arrow icon. Go back to the Table Design tab. Click the Borders dropdown and choose All Borders. Your table is now fully outlined again. And that is it. A simple and effective way to manage your table lines in Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching.